Hello. We need statistics for the INFT form, and the statistics. Okay, let me add one minute. All right. So okay, we just need statistics. We need to know incomes, and we don't have the option to expenses here. So incomes by date. I put one date to another, just like I do it here. But I want to see statistics. Okay, I think it's easy. Um, if you can show me the two type of statistic, which is like these lines, and then the other one which is a square, a rectangle, because maybe later we will add here expenses. You know what? Let's add expenses already here, because when I have a computer tech expenses, I'm not able to put it here. I had to go and put it on the accounting website that I have in another place. So put me a button here to add expenses. And what are we going to show the expenses? What is going to be the fields? You can see what we have on the accounts. Because this account is like general, every type of account. Let me go to businesses. Any business. We don't need that. We need the income, the amount. When was this amount um, delivered, give it, whatever. Just the date, category, and we should be able to create categories on the fly. Which was the payment method? How do we expend this money? Did we give this money in cash, on credit card? How do we spend the money? And to be able to create more payment methods on the fly. Picture, it's important, so we can put the invoice of the expenses. And the description also, where we put what this is expense is about, which also will help us when we want to search here, because it will appear when we make the search. Okay, and a massive creation of expenses will be also good. Okay, so we can say this same expense we want for January, February, March of 2020, 2022, because we will have the same expenses always on this same date every month, January, February, March. Okay, so massive creation of expenses is also necessary, and verification. Okay, so we can validate whatever the expense I saw it, like I am the owner of the company and my employee spent this money, but I need to see how he spent that money. And once I confirm, I'll come here and click on verify. Thank you. And well, in the statistics, the statistic, not this thing, because we only have one company on there, but the statistic it will be like that. Okay, so these are the incomes. But you can also, I need both, like this one and this one, income and expenses. You show me statistics, okay, because now you're going to add expenses on the accounting area or the transaction area of computer, which we didn't have before. So now you can add on the statistic incomes and expenses. Okay, create statistics of incomes and expenses of on NFT. Well, we're talking about that. Create the option to create sorry about create expenses. Create a button, better, a button to create expenses on okay, with the fields importe fecha this with date picker. Okay, and you see income, I'm pressing letter A and it's not allowing me to put. That's logic. Do not allow letters, but I believe you allow dot, just dots or commas to separate the decimals. Categories, category and to be able to create more on the fly. Método de pago and to be able to create more on the fly as well. Image to upload the invoice of the expense description with month year variable with month year variables the possibility to create massive creation, to massive create expenses in many months or years. So I select the first January, February, March of 2021, 2022. On the day 10 of those, because in this case it's gonna be the day 10 only. I'm sorry, I think you had to put 3. This is, I don't, well, no, this is 12. This is the months, yes. So just copy it from here, because I do not understand now what date are you going to use. Are you going to use this date? But if so, how are you going to put this? If this is January, maybe you're gonna put this on the 10th of January. You're gonna put this on the 10th of February and the 10th of March, because the day is the 10th. Yes. And the verify button. And finally, the verificado button. All this just like the account site we already have. Just in case you don't remember it, is there. Regarding the statistics, we need linear lineal and var statistic. I don't know if you, for me this is lineal, and this for me is vars, var statistics. Okay, based on user, because I want to know if I have many employees working for me as a computer tech. I want to know who is making money for me and who's not. Like right now, I don't have any computer tech working for me. I am alone. So I know all these incomes came from me. But a few months ago, I had an employee. But the problem is I don't even think I have an option to create users here. Yes, I'm not able to create users. So the employee has to come to here using my user. And because of that, everything is mixed up. Like, I don't know if he's I cannot see who is making more money, if he's making more money or am I making more money, because we do not have different users. Okay, create company wise. Well, the company is gonna be only one, but just in case it becomes more complex, let's do that company thing now. Save records. Company as computer tech company. I'm talking. We are BCN PC Solutions right now. But I might open another one. I may have like 4 computer tech company with different names. Why not? It's kind of weird, but why not? Okay. Create company wise. Save records. So I'm gonna create a company. Well, right now you can create a company. Create by default the company BCN PC Solutions and put all records and clients inside of it. Okay, right now just put them there because we only have one company. Also allow me to change, to edit, delete, or create more companies and users for this company. Admin and just users. We'll have 2 type of users. Okay, later we will discuss what one is going to do and what the other is going to do. The thing is, I need to have division, so I can say, worker, you work with me, this is your account, start working. 1 month later, let's see how much money you did, how much money I did. That's the point. Okay, so that way you can have the statistic based on users. I can do the same as right now. I come here as these statistics we have here. Yeah, I select the company. You show me the different users, and we can compare what user is making more money and what user is making less money. Thank you.